Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to connect your bank account to Fundbox. If you're applying for a Fundbox credit line or managing your existing account, connecting your business bank account is essential. Fundbox uses this data to access your financial health and to send and receive funds. So here's how to do it safely and correctly. First step is going to be to log into your Fundbox dashboard. So visit fundbox.com and sign in using your email and password. If you haven't already created an account, you're going to need to register before proceeding. Step 2, navigate to accounts or settings. So once you're in, look at the top right or the side menu. There you're going to click on settings or accounts, depending of course on the dashboard layout. You'll also find a section that's labeled bank accounts or connected accounts. Now on to step 3, which is to click connect a bank account. Now Fundbox uses trusted third-party platforms like Plaid or Finicity to securely link your accounts. So click the button that says connect bank or add new account. Step 4 is to choose your bank from the list. Now a secure pop-up will appear showing popular banks and of course a search bar. You can just type in the name of your business, whether it's Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, or a much smaller local institution. Step 5, enter your online banking credentials. Now log in using your bank's username and password just like you would on your banking app or website. This process is encrypted and secure. Fundbox and its partners never store your login credentials, so you don't got to worry about that. Step 6, select the account that you want to link. Now most businesses have multiple accounts, which is checking, savings, merchant accounts. So you can go ahead and select the primary checking account where you receive clients' payments and handle expenses. That's the one that Fundbox wants to analyze. Step 7, authorize the connection. Now after selecting the right account, you're going to be asked to confirm your authorization to share the account's transaction history. Fundbox typically requires access to the last 3 to 6 months of business activities. Step 8, wait for confirmation. Now once connected, Fundbox will analyze your data in the background, and you might see a message like analyzing account data or verifying transaction. This process usually takes a few minutes. Step 9, verify connection status. Now go back to your dashboard and check that your bank account is marked as connected or verified. If there's an issue, you're going to be prompted to relink or correct the login credentials. Step 10, set as default payout account. Now if you're approved for funding later, Fundbox will ask which account to send the funds to. You can either choose the connected account as default or you can change it anytime from your settings. Linking your business bank account to Fundbox isn't just about verification. It's how they determine your creditworthiness and transfer funds. So make sure that the account you connect is active and reflects your regular business cash flow. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.